Hi guys, welcome to our channel
Weekend Project.
Today what we're going to do is building our second PC, and well, in our standard it's some sort of a gaming PC. What we have in the motherboard is
Asus TUF Gaming X570 plus Wi-Fi.
Okay, and the graphics card.
And for graphics card we have Asus TUF Gaming 8GB
3070 GeForce RTX. For the processor,
we have
the Ryzen 9
5900X.
This is one of the least. Corsair Vengence Pro RGB, 32GB pack, 36 MHz kit. This is a cooling kit for the Corsair XH305A RGB.
HydroX series.
Power in it is Antec high current gamer, 750 watt, gold standard or whatever, or platinum standard, I don't know, just leave it aside.
And we are using custom cables
we have
of Thermaltake.
We have two
different colors. One is black and white and the other one is red and black.
Okay, we will decide which one to go with at the time. Hard drive is Samsung 970 EVO Plus, and the Seagate is 2TB,
500GB.
There you go, done. I think it's NVMe, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And
Corsair
Crystal
680X RGB, and that is our main focus. I don't know how to fit all these items in it. I think it should be enough. Well, it's supposed to be. It's quite a large case, but we'll see how we go.
So, let's get into it.
Anyway, we got the tools, and time to get back to work. after long try and hard line, you know, everything came into place. There has been a few issues after installing. I was struggling with the iCue. I've never worked on that, and so I have done completely everything from the ground up. The motherboard was my choice, the processor was my choice, the graphics card, the cooling system, the everything, RAM, everything was in there. Even the case was my choice, and I couldn't manage the GPU unit to install without having the Razer cable. I didn't want it to have the Razer cable, but I didn't have any other option. If an amateur like me can produce or can build this kind of computer, then anyone can. I was a PC user at the start, and then I moved on to the Mac. Mac was pretty easy. There was no cable. There was iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro, iMac Pro. Yeah, so if you know about the Mac, there is no cable. You cannot do anything basically. So after this, if a person like me can build this, anyone can. Just, you know, one thing is, don't trust the computer shop people all the time, because they do seems to recommend you the wrong products, as they did for my AIO system that doesn't support the motherboard or the processor. So that's all for now, and hope we'll see you next time, and good luck till then.